The Princess and the Radiant Candle is a captivating bedtime story for teenagers that delves into the themes of wisdom, responsibility, and the importance of preserving traditions. This enchanting tale reminds readers that sometimes the simplest of actions can have the most profound impact. In the grand and opulent kingdom of Serenadia, there lived a wise and compassionate princess named Elowen. She was not only celebrated for her beauty, but also for her keen intellect and caring nature. The kingdom admired her deeply. On a magnificent evening, a splendid masquerade ball was held in the royal palace in honor of Princess Elowen's 18th birthday. The palace was adorned with sparkling chandeliers, fragrant roses, and the melodious tunes of a live orchestra. Elowen appeared in a breathtaking gown, radiant with grace. As the night progressed, Elowen met Prince Eirik, a nobleman known for his thoughtfulness and understanding. They danced and talked, their connection growing stronger with each step. Elowen felt an instant bond with him, a connection that transcended words and appearances. However, as the night continued, something peculiar caught Elowen's eye. In one of the palace's grand rooms, a solitary candle burned brightly, casting a warm and inviting glow. The room was unoccupied, and the sight puzzled the princess. She couldn't fathom why a candle would be left burning with no one around. Curiosity got the better of Elowen, and she entered the room to investigate. There, she discovered an old and tattered book with a note tucked inside. The note explained that the candle was a tradition passed down through generations. It was meant to symbolize hope, light, and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Realizing the significance of this tradition, Elowen was overcome with a sense of responsibility. She had to ensure that the candle never went out, for it held the hopes and dreams of her kingdom. Elowen took it upon herself to become the guardian of the radiant candle. She entrusted the task to her most loyal servants, who agreed to take turns watching over it to ensure it never extinguished. The candle became a symbol of unity and resilience for the kingdom, reminding everyone of the power of hope. As Elowen and Prince Eirik's relationship blossomed, they shared in the responsibility of tending to the radiant candle. It became a testament to their shared commitment to preserving traditions, kindling hope, and embracing the wisdom of their ancestors. Moral of the story: The Princess and the Radiant Candle conveys a valuable lesson to teenagers about the significance of preserving traditions and taking on responsibilities that symbolize hope and unity. It reminds them that sometimes the simplest of actions can hold great meaning and serve as a beacon of light during challenging times. This story encourages young readers to honor their heritage and uphold traditions that connect them with their past and guide them towards a brighter future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more enchanting bedtime stories like this one.